In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on Hostinger. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to get your WordPress site up and running quickly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to panel.hostinger.com in your web browser. This will take you to the Hostinger control panel where you can manage your websites and hosting services. Once the control panel is loaded, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Websites to access your website management area. This section contains all the tools you need to create and manage your websites. Next, locate and click on the button that says Add New Website. This action will prompt a new window to appear, guiding you through the website creation process. You'll be presented with the option to select a platform for your new website. Select WordPress as your desired platform. This choice is crucial as it determines the type of website you will be building. After making your selection, you will need to fill in several details for your new site. Enter your site name, which is how your website will be identified. Next, create an admin username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. You will also need to provide your email address for account recovery and notifications. After filling in the necessary information, you will need to select the domain for your new WordPress site. Ensure that the domain you choose is available and suitable for your website's purpose. Once you've selected your domain, click the button labeled Finish or Install to initiate the installation process. This will begin setting up WordPress on your chosen domain. Depending on your internet speed and the server's response time, this process may take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your WordPress site has been successfully set up. You can now navigate to your domain.com/pp-admin to log into your WordPress dashboard and start customizing your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.